Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to log in and reset your Weheartit account password. Sometimes you might forget your password. If you have forgot your password, don't worry, it can be reset. To reset your Weheartit account password, first click on browser. Go to weheartit.com, weheartit.com. Click on login button shown on the top right side of your screen. You can also connect with your Facebook, Twitter and Google. To connect with your Facebook, click on Facebook. To connect with your Twitter, click on Twitter. And to connect with your Google, click on Google. To log in from your Weheartit account, enter your email or username. Enter your password. After typing your email and password, click on next button. If you have forgot your password, to reset password, click on recover your account. Enter your email or username. Click on reset password. Weheartit has sent you a password reset link. Check your email for the link. Click on the email. Click on reset your password. Create your new password. Your new password should be at least 6 characters, combinations of upper and lower cases, numbers, and special characters. Click on Save Change. Your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.